Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar fell 0.9% against the yen in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 0.8% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair rose 0.6% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.4% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.2% during the session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
World shares have slipped after Wall Street slammed the brakes on its big rally following disappointing corporate profit reports and warnings that the market had simply gone too far too fast. As Litecoin is battling key support levels, analysts are projecting that it could soon see a major upswing. Ripple has experienced a price correction, which resulted in the fall into the red zone. The dollar eased to a 3-day low against a basket of currencies, as the previous session's risk aversion-led lift for the US currency faded and traders braced for US inflation figures for clues to the path of future Fed policy.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US personal spending will be released at 13:30 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions at 20:30 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 0700 hours GMT. The US durable goods orders will be released at 13:30 GMT. The Dutch gross domestic product at 0530 GMT. The UK's retail sales at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.